In one of the videos, I mentioned that I would order more Tesla accessories, and I did. And as I was walking to the office today, I saw the postman delivering some stuff. And I hadn't checked my tracking app whatsoever, but I randomly asked the delivery guy if he had any parcel for my unit. And luckily he did. And I grabbed it, and now I brought it up here. So what I'm gonna do today is unbox this because I have to go to the office now. So when I'm back, I'll unbox it, put it on my car. Maybe it is going to be a nighttime, so it might not look very good. Let's just get to it. Okay, now that I'm back from the office, let's unbox everything that I received. The first thing I have here is the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y screen protector. This is the anti-glare screen protector. The reason I got this is because I don't want all the fingerprints on the big display on my Tesla. So this is gonna protect me from that. And also it is very glossy display. So with this anti-glare screen protector, I'm not going to face all the glares from the sun and whatnot. So this is going to be a really great addition to the vehicle. So I will take it downstairs and apply it on the car, and I'll show you the process. But for now, let's continue on what else I got. So I also have this box right here, which has, I think, 2 more accessories. So let's open it. So here we have the cup holders for the Tesla Model Y, and we also have the mud flaps. These mud flaps, I've heard great things about them. We will be putting this on our Model Y. Hopefully the installation process is going to be simple. These are basically everything that I got. The screen protector, the cup holders, and also the mud flaps. The reason I got the cup holders was so that the cups would be a snug fit and it doesn't move around much. And also it doesn't scratch the inside of the cup holder. So this is gonna protect from that. And the mud flaps just so that, you know, all the debris and small stones does not really scratch the bottom of the car. It's not going to be a foolproof protection, but at least it's going to do what it can. So let's take everything down and just get started installing them. Okay, so now we're in the car. The first thing to install would be the cup holder. So I have it taken out of the plastic bag, and we take this and then we slide it in. And once it's in, it's going to be a snug fit. This will ensure that the cups are also a snug fit. You can see the raises here, so this is going to ensure that it doesn't rattle too much. And this is also going to protect the underneath part from keys, etc., whatever goes in here. So cleaning, etc., can be easier as well. If you ever need to change it, you can just take this out, throw it away, and get new ones. So that makes it a bit easier. Now it's time to peel the stock screen protector that came in with the car and install the new one. The reason I didn't take the stock one out is because I didn't want to ruin the display with fingerprint oils and such. So let's put this on the screen now. Okay, that's done. Now this one right here, it says here to take this off, so I'll try that, but I need to ensure this is the top bit so that I place it on like this. Yeah, this is going to be really tricky. Let's try to get this sticker out. Okay, this is taken off now. So this is the top part, as it says here. We will align this right here, as it says. Okay, ensure that everything is done. And it says to press and slide here, which is what we'll do. It says to wait 30 seconds. We're gonna wait 30 seconds, and let's just hope that everything is done properly. This is the matte screen protector with anti-glare, so it's not going to be as shiny. So even during the sun, it's going to be a bit easier to look at the display than with any other type of screen protector or without the screen protector. And having the screen protector also ensures that you are not ruining the display with fingerprints, and it's easy to clean off. You know, you avoid having scratches on the display, and because the car is going to be with you for a longer time and you have to look at the display every time you're in the car, having it scratch free is going to be better, at least for me. I think it's been more than 30 seconds now, so I don't know. It says remove from here, so I'm gonna do that. I've taken that off. What I'm gonna do is now maybe using a card. Let's use the Tesla card. I'm gonna ensure that it's properly applied. Now, I take this off. So the screen protector is applied and I can see the difference. It's matte. So that was a success. Just giving it final smudges here to ensure that there are no air bubbles. Yeah, it really looks different. And I kind of like it, to be honest. Now let's move on to the mud flaps. Okay. Okay, one mud flap is done. Okay, let's do the same thing on the other side. LH. This one's done as well. So now we have to do the back one. You have to use this one. So the RR here means rear right, which is this side. So I need to take 1, 2, and then one's underneath here. So 3 pins out, and then I basically do this. Yeah. That's 1. This is 2. That's in. Now, all I need to do is position this better. Okay, that's in. Take another one. Okay, that's in. So this is also stuck now. Okay, looks like the mud flaps are done now. I'm gonna pick everything up from the ground. So this is what it looks like now. This is what you can see from the back. As you can see, perfect fit. This is what the front mud flap looks like. Perfect. Okay, the screen protector is installed, and as you can see, it looks very different to how the no screen protector or gloss screen protector would look. We also have the cup holder inserts in place now. We also did the mud flaps on all 4 of the wheels. It was pretty tiring, but everything's done now. I need to order a few more accessories, but once it comes, I'll make a video on that as well. Thank you for watching this one. I guess I'll leave it here. Do stay subscribed if you want to watch more Tesla or tech related videos. Until next time, peace.